OnePlus Watch 2 is official. This is the new watch from the Chinese manufacturer, which is a sub-brand of Oppo, in case you didn't know. And this watch promises 100 hours of battery life. This watch was curiously published on the official OnePlus forum, directly by the brand. It appears available in two colors, black steel and radiant steel. However, its official launch will be until February 26th. But OnePlus already left a little information directly in this publication. It is worth making the clarification that this is the OnePlus Watch 2 and that the first generation was presented from 3 years ago. And so, OnePlus detailed in their release that a 3-year hiatus and a reflective pause after the OnePlus Watch 1 resulted in this new product. They are aiming to win the title for the best flagship smartwatch of the year for battery life. It is also confirmed that this watch is going to have a stainless steel frame and sapphire glass for the display. So there is no room for doubt that it is going to be quite an attractive watch, although the remaining issue that everyone will surely want to know is what operating system the watch is running, because most users will want it to have Wear OS to have access to many apps. But this is not yet confirmed, and in the face of such a high battery life, from my point of view, I can anticipate that it will not have Wear OS. But let's wait for confirmation because it will arrive on February 26. Surely during the Mobile World Congress we can give it a much closer look.